My name is Julia Alards-Tomalin, and I'm the program head for the Forest and Natural Areas Management Diploma program at BCIT. I'm an instructor in that program, and I'm an instructor in the Fish, Wildlife, and Recreation Diploma program as well. Today I want to share with you a bit about my book called Buds, Branches, and Bark, A Guide to Winter Identification in the Pacific Northwest. I've been working collaboratively with my students over the past 5 years to make this book. The way that it works is that each term I make a list of all of the plants that need to be researched in order to be a part of the book. The students then get to choose which plant they're interested in, and they go out, collect their own observations from real life, their own photographs, and create a write-up of that plant. I edit it and give them feedback, and we work together until it's good enough to be part of the book. I first became interested in this topic many years ago when I was a student. I can remember being very frustrated when we were out in the field trying to identify plants in the fall and winter. We didn't have any resources to use, as all the textbooks we have focus on summer identification traits. Fast forward in time, now I'm an instructor at BCIT, and my students were suffering from the same challenges as I was. So I decided to work together with them to co-create a resource that we can all use together for free. Buds, Branches, and Bark is what is known as an open education resource. An open education resource is a freely available textbook for anyone to use. You can access Buds, Branches, and Bark through the BCIT online open education resource repository. Just search for Buds, Branches, and Bark, A Guide to Winter Identification in the Pacific Northwest, 3rd edition. That is our current edition, and it has lots of great maps, links to extra resources, write-ups, and photos that you can access as well. I'm currently working with my students to collect information for what I one day hope will be the 4th edition of the book. We just need additional funding and time to make that possible. Thanks so much for tuning in and letting me share a bit more about Buds, Branches, and Bark with you. I hope you take some time to go out and explore in nature in the wintertime. It's more fun than you might think.